Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the parts and getting into the gap. Choose a replacement string that matches thickness and material so play feels consistent. Once ready, hold one half of the yo-yo steady and gently unscrew or pry off the cap with a thin tool. This exposes the axle. Make sure to unwind and remove the old string completely, noting how it's tied at the axle and around the finger loop so you can replicate the orientation later. Next, you thread the new string into the gap and seat it on the axle the same way the old string sat. This preserves spin behavior. Once placed, tie a secure knot. Use a slip knot for adjustable loops or a double overhand if your yo-yo uses a fixed hub. Make sure the knot is tight against the axle, yet not so bulky it jams the halves. Then begin pre-winding a few turns to verify smooth seating and the correct orientation for later winding. Finally, you rejoin the yo-yo halves carefully, aligning threads and tightening until snug without over-torquing. Once closed, wind the string onto the axle evenly for 10-20 turns depending on play style, then create and secure a finger loop sized for comfort. Test with a gentle throw and bind. Observe string latch and spin. If the yo-yo wobbles or the string slips, reopen and check knot seating and bearing orientation. That fix usually solves common reassembly issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.